we got some other things to work on, which is this guy, the Taint Tickler. Paint job just got done last weekend and came out really, really nice. But, of course, Garcia already broke an exhaust weld, so we're going to fix that today. That's not how this is supposed to be. Pretty sure it's supposed to be one piece. Short little fix, one weld, and we should be good to go.
What I'm doing here is grinding off the old weld and a lot of the paint. It's really important to have a really clean surface for your new welds. You have good penetration. Any impurities in that is going to mess up the weld, make it look ugly, and not make it as strong.
This is one of my favorite welders in the shop. I have a couple of different welders here, but my favorite is Multimatic 215. This thing is baller for the size that it is. Both 110 and 220 automatically sets everything up for you, and with that, it's a beautiful welder. If you're looking for a welder, I highly, highly suggest it. I heard there's a new one coming out, a 220, that is supposed to be like even better, but man, this thing for the budget, for what you can get it for, Millermatic 215.
Nice easy weld here, 2 passes, and ground off some of the slag.
And just like that, it's all fixed. Quick work with it with the welder. It's all good to go. You'd never know it was broken. We're gonna go back home, hit it with a little bit of ceramic paint. Be good to go. I'll give you a little quick tour around this bike. Like I said, I just painted it like a week and a half ago. Paint came out gorgeous on it. It's a custom mixed color that I did. It's like a bronze metallic. You can really, really pick up all the flake in it. But it also has a couple layers of black candy on it to really give that dark, deep finish. It's a really, really good looking color. Garcia did a good job on this bike. I really like it. Great bike to ride. Really fun, and really handles a lot better than you'd think for a Sportster, and it moves too. Quick bike. Well, that's all for today. Catch you guys next time.